Last week, out of the blue, I got a phone call from attorney. I should, by the way, mention my name is Abel Yuccabelli, and I've been practicing with Melissa for about 20 years. Last week, I got a phone call from Melissa, and she asked me if I would have the honor of introducing her. And I thought to myself, she must not have many friends if she chose me. But let me just say a few words. I'm not the person you came to hear. As we know from the screen, we know Melissa's background. She's 1986 Dean List graduate from Muhlenberg College. She graduated in 1989 with her law degree from Widener University School of Law. She had a 2-year clerkship with Superior Court, and some of that time was under Donald Weand. After that, she went to work with John Munshine, and then later opened her own firm. And that's around the time that I came into the mix. She has a wonderful family with her husband Keith and her daughter Anastasia and her son Constantine, and they provide her a lot of family support. Professionally, I have to say I can't think of a better candidate. She has a perfect combination of everything we want in a judge. She's aggressive, she's tough, she's hardworking, and I know that because she calls me at 5:30 in the morning from the office. She's creative. She gets things done. For example, on Mother's Day, I was waiting for my table at Yanni's, and it was Melissa Pavlack who got our table for us in front of the line. She's compassionate, not necessarily to me, but to everybody else. She's understanding, she's smart, and she's practical. We've had many cases over the years where we've had to have creative solutions to problems, and she's right there coming up with them. That is why I believe that Melissa will be an excellent judge, and I'm sad because we will lose her as a member of the bar. But it is my honor to introduce Melissa Pavlack.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Abel, for those kind words. And yes, he does get messages from me at 5:30 in the morning because I am at the office. Thank you so much. Well, hello everyone, and welcome to this wonderful event. Thank you all for being here. I am so deeply honored by your enthusiasm and your support. I am very blessed, very, very blessed to have a wonderful family, such wonderful friends, and fantastic colleagues. Let me start by introducing some of the people in the room. You've obviously seen my husband, my daughter, and my son. My family is here, my sister, my cousin Steve, and I do consider all of you to be my friends and my family. I want you also to help me congratulate the person who is going to be my chairman for this campaign, and that is Charles McKenzie. Thank you, Charles. I know where he is. Let me also introduce some of the elected officials who are here tonight. We have United States Congressman Charlie Dent, Pennsylvania State Representative Ryan McKenzie, we have our Sheriff of Lehigh County, Joe Hanna. Yeah. Our Lehigh County Controller, Glenn Eckhart. I am from North Whitehall Township, and we have our North Whitehall Township Supervisor, Mark Hills, with us tonight. You there? And we have our North Whitehall Township Tax Collector here with us tonight, Terry Blazowski. Now we have to applaud. We also have former Mayor of Allentown, Bill Hite, with us tonight. Thank you. Yay, that's right. So tonight, I formally announce my candidacy for Judge of the Court of Common Pleas of Lehigh County. Yeah. Thank you. As many of you know, it has long been my goal and ambition to become a judge. I have been an attorney for 27 years and have dedicated my professional career to helping people. My style of advocacy has always been to give my clients 100% of my knowledge, skills, and compassion. I am dedicated to becoming a judge so that I can expand my level of assistance to the people of Lehigh County. Some of you may have been litigants in the court system. Many of you are attorneys. Certainly you can identify with the frustration that often accompanies a day in court. My goal is, and will continue to be, to create a court where people feel that they have truly received all of the attention of the judge. I would not want any litigant or attorney to leave my courtroom feeling as though justice had not been served. And for the attorneys in the room, I promise to you that I will never forget what it is like to be a practicing attorney. So this marks the beginning of my campaign that will take us to the primary on May 16th and then to the general election next November. I promise that I will work hard to gain the votes that are needed in order to win this election. Lehigh County is a very big county. There are over 200,000 registered voters spread over 160 voting districts. I plan to work daily to meet and speak to as many of the voters of the county as possible. I do, however, need all the help you can give me. There are many ways to volunteer and to be on this campaign team. On the back table, there are sign-up sheets with the ways to get involved. There are many things that you can take with you. Please take the buttons, the Post-it notes, the bumper stickers, and the nail files. Pass them out and start spreading the word that I am running for judge. Other ways that you would be able to help would be to host a gathering in your home. Invite your friends, neighbors, and colleagues in to meet me. From February 14th until March 7th, I need to obtain 500 Republican signatures and 500 Democrat signatures on petitions. Your help with circulating those petitions would be wonderful. Please check out my interactive website at www.pavlackforjudge.com. Tell the people you know to also visit my website so they can learn more about me and become involved in the campaign. Like my Facebook page, share my postings, follow me on Twitter and Instagram. We can all be a big part of winning this election. We can work together and get the word out. We will get the most votes, and we will be celebrating in May. So here we go again, team, and let's win it this time. Thank you, everyone, and please enjoy the party.